Picked us, huh?
Oh, that's so sweet.
And they're all so different.
I know. Look at the little retrievers.
I mean, that one with the green collar keeps trying to make friends.
Oh, hi. Oh my gosh. I love yours.
Oh, hey there, buddy.
That's it. Good boy.
Hey. Guess you picked me, huh?
Oh my gosh. Hi, little one. Just picked you. You're so tiny. Oh, you're so tiny. I think I'm done. I think you're mine. Oh my gosh.
They picked you.
My sweeties. Hi. Take your time. Oh, hi there. Oh my God. Sweetheart, it's you. Oh my gosh. Aw, that's so sweet.
Hi, sweetie.
Hi. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my gosh.
It's you. Hey, buddy. Oh, yeah.
He picked you.
Yeah, he did. Hi, girl. Hi. He's making the rounds.
Yeah, sniffing everybody.
He's making his way around.
Look at him go.
Hi. Oh my. Hi, buddy. Sorry.
Oh my gosh. He's just checking everyone out.
Buddy. Oh my God.
Hey, buddy.
Hi, little guy.
He's choosing you.
Here you go.
That's so sweet.
Okay, buddy, take your time.
Hi there. Hey. It's all right. Good boy. You're so brave.
Oh, you're perfect. Hey, buddy.
Oh my gosh.
You picked us, huh?
I can't believe it.
Congratulations. Take you home.
He's coming back around.
Oh, wow. Hey, buddy. Oh, my gosh. Look at that. Hi, sweetheart. What's up?
Oh my God. Oh my God.